Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to add IndiaMART Enquiry to Google Sheets for electrical appliances and components business. So let's suppose I'm running a store on IndiaMART and receiving many inquiries there. Now I want to add these inquiries in my Google Sheets automatically because doing this manually will be a very tedious task. So I can do this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between IndiaMART and Google Sheets. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here as my trigger application, I will take IndiaMART from where I will receive new lead, inquiry, and then in my action application, I will take Google Sheets where these will be added automatically as soon as the new lead inquiry will be received. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to add IndiaMART inquiries to Google Sheets for electrical appliances and component business. For this, we are going to create automation between IndiaMART and Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, we can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in. But if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I am an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I need to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to see all the workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow for which I need to click on this create workflow. And first I need to name this workflow. So let's say how to add IndiaMART Enquiry to Google Sheets for electrical appliances and component business. Now I need to select the folder. So these are the folders that I have created and I want to select IndiaMART and click on create. Now as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to add my IndiaMART inquiry to Google Sheets, which means whenever I will receive a new inquiry, it will be automatically added to Google Sheets, which means whenever a new inquiry will be received in IndiaMART, this complete workflow here will get triggered. So here in my trigger application, I will take IndiaMART. And then in my trigger event, I will take new leads. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and IndiaMART for which a webhook URL is provided to me. And this URL will act as a bridge to connect my IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk given below over here, I will make this connection. And to make this connection, let me take you to my IndiaMART account. So this is the seller dashboard of IndiaMART and on the left hand side, I can see all these options. Here I need to click on this lead manager and then I have to click on this three dots. Then I have to click on this import export leads and then on push API. So over here first I need to select the source. So these are the sources. I want to select this as other. If you have any other source, you can select according to your choice. Now I need to enter my CRM platform name and then enter the webhook listener URL. So here my CRM platform name is Pabbly Connect and over here I need to paste the webhook listener URL. So this is the same webhook URL which I am provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So I'll go back to Pabbly and from over here copy this webhook URL and simply paste it over here. Now I have to click on save details and now I have to select why do I want to connect IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect. So over here all these options are given and I want to select this. I can easily assign leads to my sales team and manage their performance. Now I have to click on this click to generate OTP. So next I will enter the OTP that I have received on my number. So we have added the webhook URL over here successfully. Now we'll go back to Pabbly Connect I can see this waiting for the webhook response, and under this it's written, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. This means so as to get the webhook response over here, I need to do a test submission, for which I need to open my profile in IndiaMART. So here I have opened a profile in IndiaMART and searched for my business. Now I'm going to send inquiry from this profile. So for that I'm going to click on this contact supplier, and over here I will put my inquiry. So here I have entered my inquiry. Hello, we are interested in your products listed on IndiaMART and would like to inquire about the following. Could you provide more information on specifications, availability and pricing of your AC motor starter? What is the minimum order quantity for bulk purchases of AC motor starter? What are your delivery terms and timelines for orders? Kindly reply as soon as possible and provide related details. Thank you. So now I simply have to click on this submit. Over here, this is not a required field, so I'll skip this and click on submit. And over here, I can see I have sent an inquiry to my business. Thank you. Your details are sent to this business. So now I need to open my Pabbly Connect and check whether it has captured this inquiry there or not. And here we can see we have successfully received the response. The status is success. I have received the unique ID, and this ID will be unique for every inquiry. Then I have received the response subject. Then all the details that I have entered while creating the profile. The name was latest user, state was Madhya Pradesh. Here the email was latest@pablitudes.com. The company name is latest company. City is Bhopal, then address is Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. The date and timing of the inquiry have also been received. Here I have received the product name and the product query. So over here I have received the dummy response because I am using a test account in IndiaMART, and that's why I have not generated the exact same query. But this will not be the same in your case because you will be using the paid IndiaMART account and you will receive the exact same query sent by the customer. So over here I have received the response. Now I need to move to my next step, which is action step. So I want to add this query in my Google Sheets. So here in my action application, I will take Google Sheets. And then in my action event, I will select add new row. Now click on connect. If you have an existing connection, you can go with save. If you don't have one, click on add new connection. And then you have to click on the sign in with Google. As I already have an existing connection, I'll click on the select existing connection and then click on save. Now Google Sheets is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter all these details. So first I have to select my spreadsheet. So over here to enter this, let me take you to my Google Sheets. This is my Google Sheets by the name IndiaMART Enquiries, and I have all these fields: name, phone, email and inquiry. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and select my spreadsheet as IndiaMART Enquiries. And it has automatically detected the sheet number, which is sheet 1. And now I have to enter all these details. So the first one is name. So I will enter the name using a process called mapping, which means I am going to enter data from my previous response. So I have received response from my IndiaMART. So I will simply click on this IndiaMART and map my name as latest user. Then I'll click on this phone and map my phone number as this one. Then for the email address, I will map my email address as latest@pablitudes.com and then my inquiry as this one. So over here mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make it static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter my data, this field will become static and the information will not change on every new response. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping. Now I simply have to click on the save and send test request. And here we can see we have received the response. Now I need to open my Google Sheets and check whether I have received this response there or not. And here I can see I have received the response. The name was latest user. Phone number was this. Email address was latest@pablitudes.com and my inquiry was I am interested in Pabbly Connect free demo available. So over here this was the response that I have received in my Pabbly Connect and it has been added in my Google Sheets. So to summarize, we took IndiaMART as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We sent the inquiry in incognito mode and then received the test response over here, after which we took our action application as Google Sheets, where we made connection with Pabbly Connect and then entered all these details with the help of mapping, simply clicked on the save and send test request and received the response as these details been added in my Google Sheets. So we have successfully created automation between IndiaMART and Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.